Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Lee and this is MKI Trains. So today I'm going to be talking to you about a project of mine. In case you hadn't noticed, I am in my kind of temporary train room today. I'm just experimenting with like some different filming locations and filming styles and whatnot. But anyway, I am here to tell you about a project. I've been working on it for like the past few days in my spare time. There hasn't been much of it, which is why I'm making kind of a shorter, simpler video this week. I just don't really have time to make a full-fledged 10-minute video. Plus, not many of you actually watched my like 9-minute video, so I'm just going to be doing some shorter ones because you guys seem to like that more. But anyway, the project that I've been working on, I've been wanting to buy some more model trains, but I just don't really have the money and I don't really know which one is best. But for the time being, I am going to create probably an entire line of 3D printed model trains. Now, this is an idea that multiple people have explored and done in the past. So I thought, why don't I do this? So, of course, I got started, made a 3D design for a model train. It's just a simple little 4-wheeled switcher, like not anything huge. It's only 2-wheel drive. Like, if I actually bought that model from a manufacturer, I would probably be pretty disappointed. But that doesn't matter because this is just kind of like a stepping stone to creating bigger and better models. So, to create this model, I'm using several external parts. So, of course, I'm using a motor that, like, a different company manufactured because, of course, I can't really 3D print a motor. Technically, you could, but that's just a little too complicated. So, I will be using a separately manufactured motor. Also separately manufactured wheel sets because of course they need to be able to pick up power from the rails, so they need to be made of metal. So I'll be getting, separately manufactured wheel sets, of course. And then there's also some other parts, like of course the brass sheeting for like the pickups and stuff attached to the wheels that get power to the motor from the rails. And then it will be a rubber band drive locomotive just for simplicity's sake. So, of course, I'm going to need a rubber band, which is also not something that I can 3D print. But anyway, I'll keep you updated on this cool project that I've been working on. I'll do a video when I get all the parts and stuff and hopefully put it all together to make a functioning train. And then hopefully next week I can do some more layout work as promised in my last video. I just haven't had time this week, but next week that will probably maybe happen. Anyway, until then, see you next time.